don't forget to sign in this morning and let us know who's there.
I know lots of you are outside playing these days, but it's kind of windy out, so hopefully you came to join us.
Yes. Because we have some wonderful sheep stories to tell you too.
We're back on the farm.
We're back on the farm, yes.
You never know what we're going to run into on the farm. Ooh, it's always a surprise to us, isn't it? It really is.
Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Wow. It is a lot of wind out there
It
today.
is.
Blow you right over. But you know,
Some of us more than others.
well, I just find that, you know, seeing some of that stuff blowing around just reminds me that it's spring. Helps clean up some of that stuff and makes me happy.
It makes me happy too. Pretty soon we'll have lilacs on the trees.
Oh, I love how they smell.
Oh, me too. Yes. Oh my
Especially in the wind, you know?
Yeah.
It just like blows that smell right into my bedroom.
Me
It's
too.
wonderful.
I love it.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, ride the bus. Vroom, vroom. If you're happy and you know it, ride the bus. Vroom, vroom. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, ride the bus. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round and round and round. The wheels on the bus
friends.
Are you?
Yes,
Like Old MacDonald?
I do.
Oh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there. Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
I love sheep. They're so cute.
They are. How many sheep do you have?
You know, I'm not sure. Let's find out together. Shall we count together?
I think we should.
All right.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That reminds me of a song.
Does it?
It does.
Does it go like 1 little, 2 little, 3 fleecy sheep, 4 little, 5 little, 6 fleecy sheep, 7 little, 8 little, 9 fleecy sheep, 10 fleecy sheep in a row? Maybe our friends can join us now that they know the song. Let's do
That's
that
perfect.
one more time. 1 little, 2 little, 3 fleecy sheep, 4 little, 5 little, 6 fleecy sheep, 7 little, 8 little, 9 fleecy sheep, 10 fleecy sheep in a row. Awesome.
Oh, they're so cute and they're all different colors. I love that.
I know. And we have fleecy sheep, but I also have some really cool books here for you. Sometimes you want to look at books that are non-fiction, so they're the real deal. Where do sheep sleep? Or how big is a newborn lamb? What do sheep eat? So this one is one of our farmyard friends. We have a whole series like that. We also have some other fun ones, such as where is the green sheep? If you were a green sheep, where would you hide? And lastly, this is wool gathering. And what do you know? It's a sheep family reunion.
Oh, it's cute.
It is an adorable book. We also have other books you can
download on your device. We have Warrior Sheep, and that's an ebook, and look how cute that is. They look tough and strong. And Sheep Take a Hike, which looks really cute, and that's also on Overdrive as an ebook. And if you want to see sheep, the Fort Saskatchewan is well known for its sheep, and you can take a walk outside and see the real sheep.
They should come the first week of June.
Yeah,
Kind of like when we have Legacy Park.
that's right.
Now Legacy Park's gonna look a little different this year.
Yeah, but you can still walk outside and see the sheep all summer long. They're really fun.
They are. You know, I have a fun story I'd like to tell you. And it's about the kingdom of Woolite. As in Woolite, in case you didn't quite hear what I said. And oddly enough, we have the king pig. And the king pig thinks Woolite is a great place to live. But King Pig is kind of lonely because the sheep don't really like him.
I don't really like that guy. He's really full of himself. He really thinks a lot of himself. I don't think he even knows we're alive.
Don't I look good today? I feel rather lonely though. My subjects, those sheep, don't seem to really like me very much.
No, we don't. We really don't.
I'll have to give this some thought. I'm going to go in and take a nap and maybe count some sheep.
We do all the work on the farm. He doesn't even notice us. And it's raining and cold. And he doesn't even care about us.
What's that noise? What's that noise?
This is a hard one.
The king looked out of his window and he saw his little sheep.
I'm so cold, so cold.
What are they saying? They're cold? They're wet?
It's hard out here.
I know, I'll give them something to do. Oh, loyal servants.
Yes, Your Highness.
Welcome. Come into my castle.
Really?
It's warm and it's dry.
Wow, thank you, Your Highness. Maybe he does like us after all.
Come on in.
Sure.
Come on downstairs.
It's warm in here. Oh, okay.
And down another set of stairs.
It is warm, but it's getting kind of dark down all these stairs.
And another flight. Come on, guys.
Hey, what are those shears and all those pots of dye doing down here?
Well, you know, I thought something to keep you warm and happy is I needed a new wardrobe.
What?
So you guys can stay down here, keep nice and warm and dry, and you can even make me a new wardrobe. So I'll see you in the morning.
It was a trick. And now we have to work all night just so we can stay warm and dry. We have to make clothes for that king all night. So they worked all night long.
And the king came downstairs and put on his new wardrobe. Ooh, I love my new yellow coat. Almost.
Making it.
Almost as much as I love my little green outfit. Splash in the mud, stay warm and dry, but still sport my crown and my robe. Let's see what else they made for me.
It was so hard to make too.
Whoa, a lot of wool went into this one. I almost feel like a sheep. A pig in sheep's clothing.
I would have liked to have worn something like that.
Let's see.
Oh wait, I did.
Wait a minute. Let's guess. And an orange toga. My favorite. This will be fun to party in.
He liked it so much. He had to work so hard.
The king went back upstairs, but you know, he came back down and thought, they don't, I don't think they like me yet.
He's worse than ever. It's all about him.
Oh, they really don't like me.
He's so mean to us, makes us work so hard.
I've got an idea. And the king said, here, have some clothes. I made them just for you.
We love them. Oh, thank you so much, Your Highness. They're perfect.
I'm glad you like
I love them. Let's go show them off. Everybody's gonna be so jealous. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
They like me. They like me. They like me.
This is perfect. Exactly what I wanted.
And they lived happily ever after. The end. Maybe we get up and stretch and do our bathroom lunch.
Oh, I haven't done that song in a long time.
Oh, actually, if you point to the last three at the end, we have a black sheep. So everybody up. I think we can all do that. I'm gonna exercise my little fingers, stretch up those fingers because we're gonna be counting 1 and 2 and 3 because we have baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. And now, it's the time you've all been waiting for.
Get your guesses ready.
Because we have some colored
we
sheep.
do.
And you know what that means? We have colored sheep, like clouds above. Who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
I was thinking fluffy, but I meant fleecy.
Millie says green, please.
All right, Millie, let's find out together.
Yes!
Green sheep is full of love. Oh, I'm not surprised at all. Green like the grass. Should we see if any other sheeps are full of love?
Could be.
Let's find out.
Colored sheep, like clouds above. who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love?
Olivia says pink, please.
Let's find out together, Olivia. Pink, pink, pink. This is pink.
No.
That's
This
purple.
is pink.
Yes.
Boy, I need to wear my glasses. Let's find out.
Oh,
Pink sheep is not full of love today. Maybe tomorrow.
must be that wind.
Yeah, it is pretty windy.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Ooh, Kate's guess is yellow, please.
Let's find out, Kate. Yes!
Ooh, maybe like
Yellow
sunshine.
sheep is full of love. Yes, sunshine and happiness.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Emma, Carrie, and Ona all guess purple, please.
All right, let's check it out. I know all those names. Purple sheep is full of love. Good guess, guys.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Callie and Dasha guess blue.
Let's find out. Oh, blue sheep is not full of love today.
He must be out in the field,
Yeah.
getting blown around as well.
Maybe later.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Ooh, Eunice and Alex say red, please.
Let's find out. Good manners. Yes, red sheep is full of love. I'm not surprised. It's the color of the heart.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Adam and Thomas guess gray, please.
Oh, we've had such good guesses today. Red sheep is full of love. Good guess, guys. I think that's the first gray one we've had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Ooh, Adam and Thomas have another guess, and
Sure.
so does Maven. They think white.
Ooh.
Oh,
No love
he's-
for white.
He's stuck out in the...
Yeah, he's out in the field thinking, oh, but I think I could have some love.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Ooh, Josie says orange, please.
Absolutely, Josie. Oh, he's a maybe later full of love sheep. Wow, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow.
Colored sheep, like clouds above, who's soft and fleecy, and all full of love.
Well, Brielle, Liv, and Isabella did all guess black.
I love all these names. It's so great to have so many friends.
Yep.
Let's find out.
Oh, Black Sheep was in the field
Black
too.
Sheep was in the field. He'll have love next time. Wow, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheeps full of love. Wow, that is great. Thank you guys all for your guesses. That's so much fun. I really enjoy it.
I'll bet they'll be able to help us with this one.
All right, everybody up.
You all know this too.
Yeah. Do we?
I think we do. Baby sheep, ba 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 ba. Baby sheep, ba 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 ba. Baby sheep, ba 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 ba. Baby sheep. Mama sheep, ba 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 ba. Mama sheep, ba 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 ba. Mama sheep, ba 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 ba. Mama sheep. Daddy sheep, ba 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 ba. Daddy sheep, ba 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 ba. Daddy sheep, ba 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 ba. Daddy sheep. Big bad wolf, 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 wolf. Big bad wolf, 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 wolf. Big bad wolf, 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 wolf. Big bad wolf. Run, sheep, run, 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 run. Run, sheep, run, 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 run. Run, sheep, run, 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 run and run.
That is not easy to say very quickly.
Good job,
But
Miss
it's
Tara.
so fun. I hope you guys had some fun with it.
My goodness.
Oh, so
Do you know what
many.
time it is?
Time to sing another song? Do another story? Tell another?
It's time to say, oh my goodness, to say goodbye to all our friends.
I miss you guys already. I will hopefully, we will see you guys on Tuesday.
Yes, after the long weekend.
Come on back Tuesday because I really miss you guys when I don't get to see you.
Yeah. So maybe, what, 2 at a time?
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to say goodbye to Damien and Kira,
And Alice and Hannah,
to Ona and Olivia,
to Callie and Hudson,
to Juniper and to Emma,
and Allison and Thomas,
Adam and Sam,
Ben, and Carrie,
to Millie and Liam,
and Alex and Ava,
another Emma, and we've got Marcella,
Riel and Robina and
Not
Tigger.
Tigger. Abby and Addie, good to see you.
Eunice and Josie,
And hi, Chris. And Percy,
and Isabella and Winnie,
Dasha and Maven,
and Kate and Peyton.
and Mila.
Wow! I thank you guys. I love having so many friends.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's awesome.
that really warms my heart.
We're 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Were you in the wind or were you out in the
No.
wind?
Oh, we just have so many great friends.
We do. But now it's time to say goodbye.
And I'm sad already.
Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you on
next time.
Tuesday.
We'll be here.